Hey insiders, do you love woodworking? We're going to show you in this video our experience with the CNC router and a normal piece of MDF and the amazing project that came about. This was done in Tony's garage. He has a dream tool and he's going to demonstrate exactly the capabilities of this CNC router. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com and enjoy the video. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. Hey guys, have you ever used a CNC router table? How about one in your garage with the ultimate dust collection? How about one that makes a Stone Coat Countertop sign come to life? We're gonna go meet Tony Pham right now. He's one of our subscribers for a year and a half. We love this guy. He's a wizard with the CNC. Let's go meet him and get this started right now. What's up guys, Mike here with StoneCoatCountertops.com. I'm with Tony Pham. He's been a subscriber for a year and a half. Tony, how are you, man?
Doing great, Mike.
We've been talking on YouTube and Tony has given us advice after advice on how to make better videos, and he's an expert at CNC routers. We're gonna learn from you, man.
Well, I wouldn't consider myself an expert because you're always learning, you're always trying to improve with this, working with the CNC machine.
Well, let's go see what your skills can do with some walnut, some MDF, and a Stone Coat Countertop logo.
Awesome.
All right, let's do it. Tony has an amazing garage shop setup. His computer equipment, his CNC router, his high-tech dust collection, and best of all, his organization with all of his tools. We really like this box right here, the Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy Supplies. Okay, so the first step in actually getting a project done isn't done here where the tooling is, it's done on the computer. So tell us about, like, how long does it take you to put a design in versus router it out?
The amount of time that I spend on the computer is probably, during a project, is probably about 80%.
Okay.
And the rest of the time, maybe 20% is actually done on the machine. So you spend more time on the computer than on the machine. Sure.
And what do you like better? What's your favorite part of the process?
My favorite part of the process is actually sitting at the computer and designing.
Sure.
Because you basically have all the creative freedom that you can do whatever you'd like to do.
Yeah. How much has your design evolved as you've gotten to know the equipment and the machine? You've had this how many years?
I've had this for about 14 years.
So you got some experience in your belt right there, man.
A little bit. A little bit.
So have you learned tips and tricks that are just making the designs more and more complex and making your work better? Or how's that worked out for you?
Basically, it's just a learning experience. I mean, every day, you use the program, you learn more, and then you do trial and error, and oh, this doesn't work, that works, and it's the same thing with the machine. With the different tooling, you're learning, feed rates, you're learning, different materials, how it reacts, and then you just keep on going.
Nice. Well, walk us through a little bit of what you're doing here, just to kind of show what we're going to make today. Tony kindly explained and demonstrated how his CAD program can take our Stone Coat Countertop logo, can digitize it, and can transfer it to his CNC machine. This allows his router to actually follow this design, cut this into any substrate, including MDF and walnut like we're going to do today. He can tell the machine how deep to cut. He can get everything lined up and centered and do this right from his computer. It's exciting to watch a computer-aided machine like this operate. It's so finely detailed, it's so accurate. My son and I had a great time. It was absolutely amazing to him. He'd never seen anything like this. Tony monitored the machines and I just continually was blown away at the quality of this tool and the path that it left behind. It was such a clean cut, it was so perfect, nothing I could have done by hand. I've done a lot of woodworking in my career and this was just absolutely perfect work. It only took about 15 minutes for the CNC to actually router this entire design. Next, the router did its own automatic tool change. It got a spiral cutout bit, cut the perimeter of this project out, and it came out amazing. Check that out. Our future plans with this project are to fill those letters with epoxy and do a contrasting color to really make that lettering pop. I now have so many ideas that I'd like to do with this CNC router. Before our second project of the day, we spent some time with Tony. We went to Old Town Sacramento. We got a little tour, but scary enough, we met this clown. That thing freaked me out. I think it would you too. Hey guys, question of the day. We just dealt with one of my dream tools, a CNC router. What's your dream tool? Let us know in the comments below. Now it's time for our special project. This is going to be epic. We've already done wood fracture burning on this piece of dark walnut. If you want to see how we did this process, we're going to link that video at the end of this one. Be sure to check it out. We didn't want to remove too much thickness from that walnut slab, so we only surface planed the top surface. So now we're going to use our level. We're going to screw this to our actual base so that we have a perfectly level table, so when the CNC router puts our logo in it, it comes out nice and even. Tony was excited about some project he had worked on. He's inviting us in the house. Let's go for a tour. Check this out. Tony used his CNC router to create this for an optometrist's office. I didn't realize you had this thing made. Look at this.
This is bamboo plywood.
I didn't know you could buy bamboo plywood.
Yes, you can.
Where'd you get this?
I'll send you the link.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful, bro. I love this thing. I'm just trying to get in your head, because for you to make something like this tells me exactly what kind of human being your brain is like. Gotta be going a million miles an hour all the time. During our tour, Tony showed us the table he refinished using Stone Coat Countertop epoxy. Look at the amazing effects that he got. This was an awesome job. Good job, Tony. Another impressive project was how Tony used his CNC router on a standard sheet of acrylic and turned it into a custom backsplash. He also did this round table and refinished it using Stone Coat Countertop epoxy. While we were inside getting our tour, look at the progress that the machine has made on our piece of dark walnut. It's coming out fantastic. This 40-year-old slab of dark walnut was no match for this CNC router. Despite the density, this machine cut through it like butter. We couldn't be happier with the outcome of that design.
Good job, Tony. Thanks. Good job, Dad.
Thanks, Mitchie. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. We came all the way to meet Tony Pham in Sacramento, California. Thanks for having us, man.
Thank you.
Hey guys, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. And until next time, you got this. We'll see you soon. I love this car, man.
You know what?
To get from yourself.
On the way back, you drive.
No, I don't want to. It would be my luck and I'd wreck your car, man.
I'll drive it.
No, you won't, Chris. You won't want to miss our next video. We interview Tony Pham and we find out what makes this guy tick. It was a fun conversation. You gotta hear Tony's story. We'll see you on the next video.